Today's cryptic crossword clue is Critic rewound stream featuring female sheepishly. And we're going to need to do some substitution in this clue. And I know that people find substitution, swapping in words in the clues for their synonyms or abbreviations. I know people find that hard, and it is hard. I agree with you. I think it's hard, but you do build intuition for it. And I just will spend this video walking you through how I would think about this. And the first thing I'm looking at is rewound, which is not something we're going to substitute. It's a reversal indicator. If you take something and you rewind it, you turn it around. You can imagine sticking a pencil in a cassette tape. Maybe you can't. Maybe I'm showing my age. Rewinding something is turning it around the other way. So it could be critic rewound. We might need to reverse the word critic. But my intuition would tell me that it's actually stream that we need to rewind. It's a rewound stream. And that's because the word on the other side of stream is featuring, which is a classic kind of containing indicator. These words will feature, they will exhibit, something will go within them, female. And so we take stream, we turn it around, and we put F for female in the middle. That's what I'm thinking initially. But that doesn't work. You try that first and it doesn't work. It doesn't give you the right number of letters. Stream has 6 letters. And if we put female in the middle of it, we get 7 letters, and our answer is 8 letters. Also, it just doesn't create a word that either means critic or sheepishly. And then we've still got the word sheepishly at the end. What are we going to do with that? I'll tell you in a moment, but let's set it aside for now. We just need to note that nothing's really working for us. And so then we've already identified stream as fodder, and reversals can be applied to substitutes. So you might think, well, is there another word for stream that can work and that we can reverse? And here stream on the surface is talking about some kind of streaming platform. It's talking about video footage, but a stream can be, a stream of water, and a common synonym for that would be a river. And so now we've got river, and we can reverse that, giving us R-E-V-I-R. And you might start to just think, is there another word for a critic that might look a bit like a reversed river? And there is, but maybe you haven't thought of that. You keep going. Let's put an F in that. Well, that's kind of even worse, because river reversed plus an F gives us 6 letters. We're kind of heading in the wrong direction. But maybe we also need to think about what other substitute there could be for female, especially if it's female sheepishly. And we've got sheepishly, we've got the question mark on the end. The clue's written by Liam, who loves this kind of stuff. What could female sheepishly be? It could be a female sheep. Sheepishly means like a sheep. Well, female like a sheep could be a U, and that does give us the 8 letters we require. We take river, we reverse it, we put U inside, we get the word reviewer, another word for critic.